Have you heard about the mysterious Android update that's been making waves in the crypto community? It's a chilling reminder of how vulnerable our digital assets can be. Reports have surfaced that this update may be linked to a series of crypto thefts, leaving many users questioning the security of their wallets and personal information. So, what exactly happened? Users began noticing unauthorized transactions after updating their Android devices. These updates, which are supposed to enhance security and performance, have instead opened the door for malicious actors to exploit vulnerabilities. It's a classic case of how a seemingly harmless update can turn into a nightmare for crypto holders. Let's break down how this could happen. When you update your Android device, you're often prompted to grant permissions to various apps. If a malicious app has disguised itself as a legitimate service, it can gain access to sensitive information, including your crypto wallet keys. Once they have that, it's game over. Your hard-earned Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency can be transferred out of your wallet in the blink of an eye. This situation raises serious concerns about the security protocols in place for mobile devices. The blockchain technology that underpins cryptocurrencies is designed to be secure and transparent, but if the devices we use to access these assets are compromised, it undermines that security. It's crucial to remain vigilant and ensure that your device is protected against potential threats. To safeguard your assets, consider using hardware wallets. These devices store your cryptocurrencies offline, making them less susceptible to hacks that target online wallets. Additionally, always double-check the permissions you grant to apps and keep your software updated with the latest security patches from trusted sources. Now, let's talk about the broader implications of this incident. The rise of cryptocurrencies has been meteoric, but with that boom comes an increase in fraud and money laundering activities. Cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities, and as the market grows, so does the sophistication of these attacks. It's essential for everyone in the crypto space to stay informed and proactive about their security. If you've experienced any issues or have insights about this Android update, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences could help others avoid falling victim to similar scams. And if you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Share this video with your friends to spread awareness about the importance of security in the crypto world. For those looking to enhance their skills and get free trading signals, visit our site at www.techrooms.eu. Remember, this is not investment advice, but it's always good to stay educated and informed. Thank you for watching, and let's keep the conversation going about how we can protect our digital assets in this ever-evolving landscape.